When companies use Māori language and culture, where's the line between appreciating and appropriating? From the flash hooker shoes to that aroha clothing brand, and let's be honest, all the Māori feels all through Avatar. From tāmoko to language and fighting colonizers. Sound familiar? Start with their origin story. Are they connected to hapori Māori? Did they consult Māori cultural experts? Or are they just dressing up in Māori vibes? Are they using words respectfully? Naming alcohol cans after kupe? After my tipuna te arawa ancestress Henemoa? Naming cheese after my mate's tupuna, tu tere moana? Using our ancestors hits different to simply using a Māori word. Are they using it correctly? Remember, the Wellington Leather Shop, they wanted to celebrate te reo, but didn't consult, so instead named their shop Huruhuru. Yeah, pubic hairs. And then there's the money. Are they sharing some of it, donating to a kohanga, sponsoring a kapa? Let's look overseas. Since 2013, over 2 million Jeep Cherokees have been sold worldwide, making the company around $60 billion US. But here's the thing, the Cherokee Nation never gave permission for their name to be slapped on a SUV. As recently as 2021, their leaders continued to tell the car makers the Cherokee name belongs to the Cherokee people. Not surprisingly, the Cherokee Nation haven't received a single cent from Jeep. Legal doesn't always mean ethical. If a company made millions from products named after your nana and told your whānau they're just honouring you, would that be okay? Even if it was technically legal? The answer is simple. Talk, consult, think. Respect isn't a marketing strategy, it's a responsibility.